So if you want to add a legend, so when you plot this, it is viewable, so you understand what colors are what, you can just simply go to the legend icon or command under surfaces tab. So I pick legend. It's going to ask for a title. I can come in here and I can change the title, what I want it to say. You can set it on a layer, and then you pick or choose the surface or cut fill map. So if, again, I'm going to pick the cut fill map here. We're going to pick a location, and we'll pick the text styles for the title and the actual data. So I'm just going to come down here and choose standard versus any of these others, and I'm going to click a location point, and we'll just pick that location point there, and then click apply, and it will create a legend that shows the color breakdown and color interval that we set up for this color mapping. Now you can also display a legend for the surface elevations as well. So here's my finished ground surface. If I go up to legend, I can give it a name, pick the surface, pick the location and the text, just like I did on the cut fill. So I'm going to go ahead and pick standard for this one and standard for this one. We'll pick a location point and we'll drop that in. We'll click apply, and you'll see that this shows the elevation of that finished ground surface. Okay, again, the color swatch, the blues being the pond elevations and the higher elevations being over here in the pad area, and this area up in here in the kind of the orange and red color, and the green being everything in between.